Hello everyone, today we have a 2015 Ford F-250 Super Duty 4x4. This one has the Lariat package and the 6.7 liter Powerstroke Turbo Diesel. And that is sounding good, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take it for a tour. It obviously has a custom lift on it. Has a custom light bar there in the bumper. Painted alloy wheels. Has airbags. Right there. Does have a spray-on bed liner. And steps. So I'll go ahead and put that down. So it does have a power sliding back window, custom drop hitch, custom exhaust. I'll go ahead and take for a tour of the interior. Oh, it does have the FX4 package also, the skid plates and such. And you see that it does have black leather seats. There's your keypad entry. I use mine all the time. There's your VIN right there. Okay, we'll go ahead and hop up in here. As you look down here, you'll see it has 42,409 miles on this vehicle. And then you got your cruise control, your push to talk, and your other stereo controls. 2- and 4-wheel drive, trailering controls. Then you do have a bank of upfitter switches, cup holders, and additional power supply there. Additional power supply there on the dash. Then you got your comfort controls, your stereo controls, and here's your navigation. And there's your Bluetooth. Here's your stereo, which is AM, FM, Sirius XM, CD, USB, Bluetooth, SD card, and you also have an auxiliary. And then you have heated and cooled front seats. Seeing if you're able to see all that. There we go. You do have heated and cooled front seats also. And that about wraps it up for the interior of this F-250. This vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact here in the upper right here in the passenger front quarter panel. The airbag's deployed, but there's no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed a 150-point inspection and a state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.